Hello everyone, my name is Ram Kumar and I am from SR University pursuing my BTech final year in computer sciences, specialization of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today I am here to discuss about my project titled as Visualization and Forecasting Capital using Dash. And I have a teammates whose names are Billa Vinay, Sai Kiran and Hussein Ali. Coming to my project. In today's dynamic financial market, investors and traders constantly seek tools and techniques to gain insights into the stock trends and make informed decisions. Data visualization and forecasting plays very important role in this process, offering a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics and potential future movements. This guide walks you through discovering how to visualize and forecast stocks data using Dash, a powerful Python framework for deploying web applications, understanding the importance of visualizing stocks data goes behind members. It provides a clear representation of historical trends, patterns, and anomalies. By visualizing stocks, investors can identify key support and resistance levels, identifying market patterns and identify business opportunities. Additionally, visualization facilitates communication and interpretation of complex data among the stockholders, enabling better informed decision making, enhancing the power of forecasting. Forecasting stock prices is a challenging yet essential task for investors. By employing statistical models, machine learning algorithms, or a combination of both, analytics can forecast future stocks movements with a varied degree of accuracy. Forecasting enables investors to anticipate um, market trends and optimize investor statistics. However, it is important to acknowledge the inherent uncertainty and volatility in finance market, which can impact an accuracy of forecast. Coming to the about Dash. Dash is powered by Plotly. Dash allows user to easily create data-driven dashboards, visualizations, and analysis tools. Its simplicity, flexibility, and integration with Python's scientific libraries make it is a perfect choice for developing stock analysis application. With Dash, developers can quickly prototype, iterate, and deploy robust web-based solutions. For visualizing and forecasting stocks, objectives of this guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview of visualization and forecasting stocks using Dash. It will cover essential concepts such as retrieving stock data, pre-processing data for analysis, creating inactive visualization, implementing forecast models, and deploying a Dash application. When this guide ends, readers get knowledge and capability of making Dash application for stock analysis and also to make future predictive decisions. Using Dash to find and predict stocks open up a world of opportunities for investors and analytics. By combining the power of data visualization, statistical analysis, and web development, individuals can gain insights into the stocks, trend, and behavior. Whether you are a seasoned trader or financial analyst or aspiring developer, mastering the art of visualization and forecasting stocks with Dash can significantly enhance your decision making capability in the ever evolving world of the finance. Now, coming to the some related work during my project, I took some related work of the some authors who have worked on these stocks. So, whereas Hiba, Saida, Aditya Sharma, Adarsh Paul did a project and proposed a stock forecasting model, I took help from them, those research papers. And Ashutosh Sharma, Sanket Modak, Ishwaran Sridhar presented a paper on data visualization and economic forecasting at IRJET. In the paper, they compared the basic model with the recently developed LSTM model. And using a machine learning model, Kranti Sai Reddy also presented a paper in the IRJET magazine about the stock forecasting. He He used SVM and RBF for predicting the stock market, but he achieved better result with SVM. So now coming to the problem statement. Actually, what is the problem statement and what we are going to overcome the problem statement? In today's world of business investment, the ability to clearly forecast the business model is important for making financial decisions, limiting the benefits of offering investors a good deal. Additionally, the complexity of financial informed and better and the nature of the market leads to great difficulties in developing good forecasting models. Furthermore, while traditional statistic models and machine learning algorithms have shown promises in stock price prediction, their implementation often requires expertise in programming and data science, limiting the accessibility to a broader audience of investors. Additionally, evaluating the accuracy and reliability of forecasting models remaining a challenge, and particularly the context of rapid change in market and condition and unexpected events. So therefore there is a pressing need for a comprehensive solution that addressing these challenges by providing an intuitive interactive platform for visualizing historical data, implementing forecasting models and evaluating prediction accuracy. Such as a solution would empower investors for all levels to make informed decisions by gaining insights into the stock trend, identifying potential opportunities, and risky effectively. So for this project, we have requirement analysis. Like we need some software. Coming to the software requirement, Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab to run web application, and we can use Python to run this code, and we need some Python required packages like Python packages such as pandas, and I used in this project pandas, Platly, and dash, and CSS also. And we need one browser where you will need a modern web browser like Chrome or Firefox to view web application. As we discussed before, uh, there are many existing models such as LSTM and NLP, natural language process, and RDF. These are the existing models, but here I used a new model such as new machine learning model such as support vector regression. I use support vector regression in this project because the support vector regression is not an existing model and remaining or the existing model, so I use the support vector regression in this project. Now, I will explain a step by step how we implemented this code. Actually, now this code contains a functional called forecast which is designed to predict the stock price into the future using the support vector regression model. First, we need to input data. The function tasks two parameters, stocks and number of days. In it uses the Yahoo Finance API to download historical data from a listing. Next, model training. It uses the train test split function in SK learning model selection to split the data into a training set and a testing set. The parameters are C, epsilon, and gamma. Now prediction. It generates a list of future days called output days based upon the losses in the testing set and the number of days to predict. It generates corresponding dates for predicting days. It predicts the closing price for the future days using the trained SVR support vector regression model. Now coming to the visualization. The function creates a plot using Plotly graph objects to visualize the predicted closing price for future days. The function sets the plot name, x-axis label, y-axis label, and description. Now coming to the output, the function returns the Plotly figure containing the predicted closing prices for the next n number of days. Whereas depend is the function relies on external libraries including pandas, panda data reader, data time, date time, dash Plotly, graph objective, Plotly express, y finance, and scalar. And this proposed system outlines the functionality and workflow of the given code for predicting the stock price. Depending on your specific requirement and context, we can customize or extend this system further. So finally, where we are now, coming to the code, how we implemented the code. So coming to the first step, we install dash to create layout. So second step, we copy the file or transform the file from one location to another location which contains SVR model. So coming to the third step, we import pandas, plotly, myfinance and dash. Then we install dash app and creates layout. Then by using forecast callback function, we forecast the stock data using SVR model. And finally, I will give the link in the description, whatever the code we implemented and the output also, and the whole link I'll provide in the description, so you can see the code in that link, uh, okay. Finally, coming to the conclusion and future scope. So this is the last stage of the project, and stock market trading is highly sought after, and its popularity is increasing. Researchers are constantly seeking new techniques for prediction. By using stock forecasting, investor and individuals get very useful for predicting or navigate the stocks. To predict stock prices accurately, we need to create a good predictive model. For this process, we used a machine learning model named support vector regression to predict stock. This will help investors see the future stocks and market more easily and accurately. The scopes of stock visualization and forecasting in the stock market world is quite wide. According to a recent report, the number of investors in the stock market is increasing every year. Therefore, there need therefore there need to be a good and predictable system that will guide investors to be careful. Predictive visibility is a risk that often leads to inaccurate cost estimates. The main reason for this is that many aspects of this project can be expanded and modified into the future through training models, including the main feature of the product, which are not a unique number. And so this is my whole project. I think this project gonna bring me a great name. So, and I am very thankful to my my guide, whose name is Dr. Praveen sir, and I am very thankful to you to guide, because guiding through my project. And I am also thankful to my HOD, my head of the department, Miss Shashikala madam, to supporting me to overcome this project. And I am very thankful to the SR University College giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.